Hey guys, without wasting time, let's unbox our today's item. This is called gas safety device from Gas Safe India Limited. As you guys, it will provide 3-year warranty and 15-year insur sorry 15 crore rupees liability insurance. That your limit will be up to the actual loss. If the actual loss is for 15 crore, then this will uh, in new insurance company will provide you the 15 crore rupees. Or if your actual loss is just 10,000, then they will provide you 10,000 rupees. Okay, now we go to the product. As I already opened it, and here is our device. And before that, I want to show you something. That's from the seller, not from the manufacturer. If you uh, provide 5-star rating feedback in Amazon, then they will pay you cashback of 50 rupees in your Paytm. Just you need to send WhatsApp message. And here is the warranty card slip. They didn't fill it. Uh, it's just empty. So before I use it, I confirm from the customer care whether the warranty will be valid or not. In the case of dealer, I haven't provided any seal over the warranty card. Then they said yes, okay, we will provide you. Go ahead, just write date of purchase from yourself, and it will be okay. So I write my name and date of purchase. That's all. Now we come to the product. So it's gas safety device. Well, this is the indication level of the gas quantity in our cylinder. From this side, this will mount on LPG cylinder, and upon this side, the normal regulator will be mount on this side. So for first time you have to press it for two times, then supply will be okay. Now we will come to this functioning. So it's completely shut off the supply in three cases of three cases of the LPG thread. First, that if our supply lines, that is pipe got fire, then this will shut off the supply, or the regulator doesn't work properly, this will supply the shut off the supply. And third one is if any major damage caused to the pipe, then this will completely completely shut off the supply. And in now this will reduce the supply. In case of minor leakage, this will not shut off the supply. So you have to check from this. You can check with this indicator that is there any leakage or not. So it's so easy. You have to just turn on the regulator and this device, and turn off the burner should be remain in switch off position, and then later switch off this device and the regulator. If this what we call switch needle goes down up to 0, then there is leakage, and if doesn't go, then there are no leakage. And now the main purpose I bought it for, when sometimes what will happen that we put something on the burner gas stove, and we comes out like dal or milk, and sometimes it spoil out from the utensil and it shut off the fire. Now the burner remains on and the supply is still going. In normal case, in 2 to 5 minutes the gas may be spread over around the gas stove, and if you trying to ignite, that will blast, boom. So now with this product, the company says this will reduce the supply in case of burners remain on and without ignite. Then this will reduce the supply up to 80 to 90%. So they say even if you forget to ignite the burner and just remain at the on position and comes after 8 to 10 hours, and this will work as normal. There will be no boom or disaster, anything. Just you have to just burn it in normally. That's all I want to say. So you guys, if you want to buy, then you must buy. This is very useful. If you have any question, doubts, ask me in the comments below. I will write few details in the description box, and I will demo video for this use, practical use, since I don't have any LPG cylinder or the gas stove right now, so I can't do this. But in the next video I will try. Okay, thanks.